My name is Shirley and I'm Chinese. Wales is my home now, and I see myself as part of the Welsh community. Sometimes people like me face exclusion, racism and discrimination just because I sound different, I looked different. I love Wales and I'm proud to raise my kids here. Let's work together to end racism in Wales. If you are an organization, please sign up. If you are an individual, please sign up. Sign Reigns Council Cymru's zero tolerance policy on racism in Wales today. Let's unite against racism and end it in this generation.